Hey guys, it's Lucy from She Grows Veg.
And my name's Mike and I'm a chef.
And today we're looking at a really cool crop that I've been growing in my borders, not in my vegetable garden. This is LabLab or hyacinth beans. So these are in the pea family and they originate from tropical parts of India and China, although there is some argument to say they originate in East Africa. This is often grown as purely as an ornamental plant in this country. Lots of people don't know that you can actually eat it. You can eat it, all parts of the plant are edible, but they must be cooked because it does have really high levels of toxins in, and you've got to break those down by cooking it really properly. So today we're looking at the more mature beans, and you shell them and use them, I think, like chickpeas and stuff. So, Mike, I give you LabLab. What are we going to be cooking today?
Right, I've done a little bit of research because I've never actually cooked with this before. But we are going to do a little curry dish. It's very popular, as you say, in Asia, India, all those kind of places, and it's most often used in curries as a kind of chickpea alternative. So
Lovely.
we are going to do a really simple curry, actually, not many ingredients in it.
Now, these younger pods apparently can be used like mange too. So
What, the whole thing?
yeah.
Wow.
So you up for putting some of those in it as well?
Yeah, let's do that. Right, these are the ingredients for the curry. So we've got saucepan, a fair bit of oil, because we've got some of these lovely aubergines first. We'll cook those off right now. Onions and the sweet pepper. Next will be the crushed garlic and the crushed turmeric. And the only dried spice we're putting in is some ground cumin, about a teaspoon of that. Just chopped in half baby plum tomatoes. We'll cook those up. As soon as they get hot enough, they'll release some of their juices. LabLab's going in.
Should we give this a go?
Ladies first.
Okay. That's really tasty. They really have held their structure.
Got lovely, lovely texture to them.
Right, I'm going to try one of the immature beans. It's not stringy at all. It's really tasty. Right, I'm growing more of them next year, definitely. Okay guys, thanks for joining us. If there's something that you would like to see us cook, please comment below. You'll find the full recipe for this down there as well. And we will see you next time.
Bye!